Hi, I'm Dr. Q with drqueston.com, and today we're going to talk about how to clear the nasal passages of congested little kittens. Now, we don't actually have a kitten with us today. We have Bob here, who's agreed to volunteer with us. He is a young cat, but he's not exactly a kitten. But what we're going to talk about is, why do kittens get upper respiratory infections? Well, their immune systems are not fully developed, and unfortunately, if they're in shelters or not properly taken care of when they're young, good nutrition, they're very susceptible to getting viruses and things like that that can inhabit their nasal passages and cause them to have a lot of discharge from the nasal passages as well as from the eyes. So if you happen to get a kitten that has this problem, the first thing you want to do is, of course, take that kitten to a veterinarian. A veterinarian needs to look at those kitties, listen to their heart and lungs, make sure it's not anything more serious than just an upper respiratory infection, and then from there we'll probably prescribe some antibiotics as well as possibly some eye ointment. That's something that I commonly do in my practice, is prescribe some eye ointment, because the ointment actually deposits antibiotics right at the source, right into those tear ducts, which can oftentimes help clear these kitties of their infection much faster. Now, if you have a kitten at home that has antibiotics and has been to the vet for an infection, what can you do to help them get better faster at home and help them feeling better? Well, one of the most common things that we recommend is a humidifier. Humidifier is a great way to help moisten the nasal passages and help these kitties feel better faster. It helps clear things out. You want to definitely do that, because if they can't smell their food, then they're much more likely to not eat, and you don't want that happening because they need all the nutrition they can get if they're fighting some kind of an infection. So, humidifier is a great idea. Take the kitty cat in the shower with you at least once, if not twice a day, and that'll help with that. And then, of course, if that's not enough, then you want to wipe the nasal passages in the face at least once or twice a day, depending on how much yellow and green discharge that they have coming out of their face. So this is where Bob is going to help us. So what I would suggest doing is getting just a soft washcloth, warm water on that washcloth only. I wouldn't use any kind of medications, peroxide, soap, anything like that. You want to just use warm water. And I'm using these 4x4 gauze sponges that you can just get at any local pharmacy. And what you want to do is just very gently with your moistened washcloth or gauze sponges is lift your kitty's face, wipe those eyes, wipe that nose. Definitely want to make sure that your cloth is moistened, because a lot of times these kitties will have dry, crusty debris around their nares, as we call them, and so you want to make sure that's nice and clear so that they can get air and smell their food, so that their appetite is better and they'll eat better, take their medication, and hopefully get to feeling better as quick as possible. So today we've given you some suggestions on what to do if you have a little kitty with an upper respiratory infection and some significant nasal discharge. Hopefully these suggestions will help you, and thanks for stopping by today. I'm Dr. Q, and the rest is up to you.